Let me show you how you can take 3 different documents with comments and merge them into one. We've started out with an original document in which 3 different people have added comments to. This then produces a separate file with those comments. All we have to do is extract the comments from each document. Click on the Comment tab on the left-hand side and find the button that will allow us to export comments. You will notice that this file will save as an PDF file, and we're going to do this for each document with comments. Once you have all of your comments exported from the documents, this will then give us new FDF files. Then we can go back to our original document and import those comments. Again, go to the Comment tab, but this time we're clicking Import Comments. And you can see we have our 3 FDF files ready to import. We will have to do it one by one. And now that original file has all 3 comments from all 3 people.